With vinyl vectors, and I'm going to show you how to create a mock-up using VVMU, the rectangle wood frame sign mock-up that I have. It's really simple. You can do it in several different programs. I have the PSD for Photoshop that has the smart objects, but you can use any photo editing program out there. I'm choosing to use Canva to show you how to do this because this is the one that I like the most, because I can do I can upload a logo and keep a few things consistent all the time. So I have my JPEG image open, and I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to pull my PNG. I'm going to drop and drag, but you can also just upload it to my upload file here. And it's just going to take a minute. And once that's done, there you go. Just click on it, or you can drag it over to your frame. I'm going to hold my shift key down and resize this to fit right about there. And if you notice that dotted line going straight up and down, that basically is telling you that you have it centered from left to right in your mock-up. So I'm going to leave that there. And then I'm going to actually click back on that again and see this little bar up here. It's transparency. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to drop this down just a little bit. It kind of helps with making it look not quite so stark and give it a little bit more of a realistic look. And that's too much. You don't want it so bright like that, but you don't want it so pale that you can't see anything. And I'm guessing right around 86, 87 looks good. This could change depending on the colors of your design. So you can't count on just always using 87. You're just going to have to drag it and see what you think looks the best. Okay. And then I always suggest adding your logo. You can add a logo at any time. This one isn't correct, obviously, because it's not an SVG file, but add your logo. And the other thing I would suggest doing is adding a watermark so people can't steal the, well, not that watermark. Again, on this one, you would change the transparency quite a bit. Adding a watermark, but I think if you put your logo somewhere over the top of the actual frame or design itself, it'll help protect it for you a little bit without interfering too much. And you can, again, you can change the transparency of your logo too if you wanted to. Okay, so that's it. That's how I do making a mock-up, and I'm using Canva. Like I said, I think it's a free program. I do pay the $12 a month, but they also have a free version of it. That's how you would add a PNG file to your JPEG mockup. Have any questions? Feel free to give me a chat message, and I'll see what I can do to help you. Okay, bye-bye.